Hi, my name is Mona, and I host and co-produce our company-wide meetings here at Mentimeter. Every week we bring the whole company together. Here in Stockholm we're all joining live, and from the Toronto office they're all joining remotely. And for this meeting we use Mentimeter. We aim for a truly inclusive and engaging experience, and Mentimeter makes our part easy. The speakers use questions and polls to get the audience input, and the votes show up in real time. This means that everyone in the meeting can get their voice heard, no matter if they're joining live or if they're joining remotely. It also provides us a chance to capture company-wide trends. I mean, if you think about it, these types of meetings can get quite expensive. We're gathering everyone in a room for an hour, and it can get even more expensive if actually no one's listening. With Mentimeter, we can keep everyone engaged and attentive to make sure that they understand the information that's being provided. At the end of the meeting, we have a Q&A, where anyone can ask any of the speakers any questions. You can of course have someone moderate the questions, but in our case, we let the audience moderate themselves. By using the upvote functions, they can thumb up the questions that they want to see and have answered. This provides the speakers with the most relevant questions, a truly crowdsourced Q&A. As an organizer, I'm always looking for ways to save time. With Mentimeter, I only need to create one single presentation, and then I invite all of the speakers to add their own slides. And since we have everything in one place, it doesn't matter if the speaker is live or remote. With Mentimeter, our company-wide meeting turns into a two-way dialogue between the speakers and the audience. No matter where you are, you can get your voice heard and really be part of the discussion. This enables us to have an inclusive and memorable experience every single week.